y'all, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new, welcome, welcome, welcome. Don't forget to subscribe so you'll be the first to know when I post a new video. So I asked you guys on my Instagram what type of video you wanted to see, and then I posted all of my boxes from Asos, and you guys did a poll and wanted to see the unboxing and me trying on everything. So 90% of my wardrobe comes from Asos. I've been shopping with Asos since 2009, and I'm just really happy with the quality of it. I never have to send anything back, and usually everything just works out for me. So if you are new to online shopping or you just want to branch out and try something different, Asos is the brand for you. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get started and start like undoing some of these boxes, trying on some things so you guys can see. So first things first, this box is calling my name. Let's see, I feel like it's Christmas. I feel like I know what this is. I bought so much stuff, honestly, I can't remember. So the good thing about Asos, these little bags, if you open them correctly, if you need to send something back, because they do free returns, you can just reuse this bag like over again. Okay, so looks like I got some shoes. So Asos, not only does it have its own brand, but it's also an outlet for other fashion brands like Missguided, Aqua by Aqua. What are some of my favorites? Lavish Alice. There are so many different brands within Asos, but these boots here that I just got are by Asos. So let's y'all ain't gonna be able to tell me nothing. So how bomb are these khaki knit green thigh-high boots? Like these, first of all, I hope I can fit them. That's first. Do I have anything in here? Okay, now. Alright, let's try these on. Ooh. Ooh. Alright, they're a little tight. Oh, these. Oh, baby. You ain't gonna be able to tell me a thing. Gosh. Alright, they're a little tight though, I will say. Now, if you're interested in these boots, if you have large thighs, this may not be the boot for you. I'm just telling you now because I'm pretty petite and I wear between a 2 and a 4, and these are like really tight, but they're cute. Okay, sorry, I don't want to flash Jonathan. Alright, so these are, I'm gonna do a little. So these are the Asos Kamani knitted over the knee boots. Kamani is spelled K-I-M-A-N-I. So if you like these boots, make sure you search that on ASOS.com. I love them. They feel like extra comfortable. Like they have a nice heel. It's a nice boot, like a nice, comfortable, sexy boot. So yeah, I'm definitely keeping these. So let's see what else. I got this one. And, ooh, I also have a jacket. I don't even remember ordering this. Oh, this is the Asos tailored pinstripe blazer with shark shoulder. Okay, I forgot I bought this. And I think this was like a clearance item. So I'm gonna just step to the side so I'm not like flashing Jonathan and show you how this looks. So, excuse me. Definitely, this actually could be an outfit I'm considering. I probably won't do this, but I'll probably wear this blazer with like some denim cutoffs and other thigh-high boots. But I really like this blazer. The details are in the shoulders. It's all in the shoulders. And like I said, it's got this. This is an Asos brand, and I'm gonna read off the description to you again just so you can search in the box. So this blazer, if you're looking for it on Asos, it's called the Tailored Pinstripe Blazer with Shark Shoulder. Okay, don't forget it, because I'm not gonna be able to put all this in the description box. So make sure you remember, jot it down. All right, we're gonna continue. So next up, I am going to see what's in this bag here. So this is another blazer that I got from Asos. The brand is Miss Selfridge. It's a long line blazer, and it's just black, you know, something very classic. Kind of reminds you of the Balmain styles. Has some nice gold buttons, and I'll probably rock this with some leggings or some nice skinny jeans. Just something super cute, super casual. Nothing to show you on. You've seen one black blazer, you've seen them all. The next thing we got in here, I don't even remember ordering half this stuff. Oh, it's another blazer. Now this is from the brand Asos as well. Oh, I love this. So I want to try this one on for you because of the details, so I'll be right back. Don't worry about this. I'm just trying not to show you all my goodies on camera, but I just wanted to show you this nice blazer. I love the details, like the puff sleeves, so cute. And then it's like a really beautiful gray, so it's still very classic. I'll probably end up rocking these with some jeans too. I just want y'all to see these details though. It's all in the shoulders, y'all. It's all in the shoulders. Now this jacket is an Asos brand as well. I'm gonna be honest with you, this was the last one they had because it was low in stock, so I'm not even sure if you're gonna be able to find it. But just search like puff sleeve gray blazer on Asos and then you might come across it. So hope you guys like it. Let's keep going. I got a lot of other stuff to show. So the last thing I got in that package were these super cute Asos denim jeans. So the reason why I got them, look at the detail in the bottom of them. I don't know if you can see that or not. I'm not gonna try them on for you guys because I know I can fit them. These are a size, I'm usually a 25. As of the last 2 weeks, I am a size 26, and I've been trying to gain weight, so that's a good thing for me. So I'm officially in a 4. I've been a 0-2 for like forever. So these are how the jeans look. A very nice light wash denim with really, really nice details in the bottom and here. A little distress right there. So these are those. So I don't know what's in this one. Oh, I know what's in here. I forgot I bought this. Oh man, wait a minute. Feels like Christmas. Y'all, who am I and where do I think I'm going? I think I'm somebody, that's for sure. This jacket fly. This is fly. You think it's fly, Jonathan?
Yeah, it's real fly.
This is some player shit. This is player. This is players. Yeah. Alright, so let me read this off to you. So I got this jacket from Asos, because it's an Asos haul. But this jacket is called the Asos oversized hoodie jacket in camo faux fur. So you're interested in this one, that's what you should search. It's pretty fly. I don't know. Oh, I probably can't rock it with the boots that I got. So I love this. Let me feel that. Feel that, Jonathan. Feel that.
Oh, that's dope.
Yeah. 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 I don't know who I think I am, but I do. I really love this jacket now. Not sure exactly how I'm gonna style this one just yet, but I do really, really, really like it. What we got, guys? What we got up next is, I'm just gonna rip this open because I know I'm gonna like it. I ain't gonna have to see that. I don't even know what this is. Okay, so y'all, I'm gonna be honest, I don't even remember ordering half this stuff. Oh, I needed a new puffer jacket for like my workout outfits and stuff. This is, and I'm gonna tell y'all, I got this jacket here. I remember getting this. It was low in stock. I just randomly ran across it when I was bored. And that's why, let me tell you something. The reason why, you're probably like, why does she have so many separate orders? So Asos is so large, and I have the Asos app. And so usually when I'm bored, I just browse through everything. I go through the sale, I go through the petites, I go through the brands that I really like Lavish Alice, Missguided, Aqua by Aqua, and Asos White. Those are some of my favorite brands. And so when you see things, if it has low in stock next to it, that means they only have less than, I think, less than 10 available. So then you have to go ahead and make the purchase, otherwise, you know, it's gonna be gone. But they only had one left in my size, a size 2. And I think this was like 30 bucks. You can't really beat $30 for a puffer jacket. I mean, this is gonna be so, cause I'm so sick of like having to like throw on my leather coat with my sweats and stuff. It doesn't look real nice, but this is dope. I love it. Giving me some Missy Elliott feels. Kind of reminds me of a garbage bag. It's all good. I like it. And so if you're looking for this, if it's still available, it's called the Asos Padded Jacket in Wet. Wet. Okay. Now the next thing, okay, so this is just, why did I get a lot of my basics from Asos, and what I mean by basics are like my white t-shirts, my black t-shirts, my v-necks, you know, little shirts you just kind of throw on. And a lot of times I like to get the men's. This is an extra small in men's, so I can kind of wear it as a dress, or you can wear it with some knee-high boots or whatever the case may be. I thought I could make this like a nice little oversized dress. So this is why I bought it. This is actually men's, and I think the only reason why I got it then because I needed this color, and it was like $4 or something like that. I digress. I'm gonna move on. Ready, set, and go. So I had been wanting these pants for forever, and like the minute they put it in stock, it was gone. So it looks like these are actually pants. They're not, it's not a skirt. And I don't feel like trying them on, but these are cute. Really, really cute. Now, honestly, I think they're gonna be a little too big because they're a 4, and I'm just looking at the band of this, and I'm probably not going to be able to fit it. We'll see. We'll see. So I had, these are just some vinyl high-waisted trousers. They're by Missguided. They're from Asos, but they're by Missguided. If you've seen one pair of vinyl pants, you've seen them all. Nothing's, you know, I don't feel like I need to try these on for you guys, but here they are. And they actually have marked these down to like $26, which is why I went ahead and purchased them, and why they're on they have in the bag by themselves. So I'm pretty sure these are shoes. I'm not sure what kind of shoes they are, to be honest. I don't remember buying these. Oh. So I have these here. I'm going to a formal event in a couple weeks, so I bought these for that. I was like, why do I have these? Okay, so I'm not gonna try them on because you've seen one strappy shoe, you've seen them all. I'm just gonna go back over there and bring some more stuff out for you guys. Oh, this is my, oh, these are my trousers, yes. Oh, I hope I can fit these, I hope. Oh, I hope I can fit them. Okay, so, sorry, Jonathan. Am I flashing you? Oh, they're so big. Oh, so I ordered these in a 4 because that's all they had left was a 4, and they're just too big. So I am, oh man, I mean, I may be able to like swag these out, like wear them in like a loose like tomboy fit, but these are actually too big for me. Like they're like falling down. Okay, I think I'm gonna just like swag it out. I mean, like, you know, me like Aaliyah vibes though. You know what I'm saying? Like that pretty girl tomboy type feel. Like I'm thinking I might, yeah, I'm sagging. Yeah, this is ridiculous. I'm gonna keep them. I'm not gonna send them back because I want them and I feel like I can do something with them. I'm gonna make these work. Watch me work. You'll see these. You'll see these on my Instagram soon and watch what I do with them. Watch me. So this is just a basic camo jacket. I'm not gonna try it on. This is from Asos, but the brand is Vans. Vans as in Vans the shoes. So super cute, and I got this in an extra small. So you guys really love this Asos coat on my last few Instagram pictures. This is where I got it from. It's called the 90s style faux fur jacket. So in the box was this hat. This hat is by French Connection. I actually love that brand. This is in a medium large because I have a big head. This is so cute. Oh, I love it, especially with my bob. What do you think, Jonathan?
Yeah, I love it.
You love it?
It's dope.
Love it. I love it too. And I think I got this hat on sale. I think I paid like 36 bucks or something for it. I cannot remember. And I also got these super cute Chelsea boots. These are also from Asos, and I'm only gonna try one of them. Oops, sorry. And I needed a nice, I like to have in my wardrobe what I call comfortable heels. Like, I'm not always like in the mood for a flat because I feel like it kind of messes up my outfits. But if I have a nice comfortable heel, I can still be comfortable and cute, yet fashionable at the same time. So these are just some Chelsea boots. They have a low heel. I'll probably rock these with some jeans. Go back. Jonathan's saying go back. I'm back. So this is what they look like. I think I got them on sale. I think I paid, honestly, low-key like 20 bucks. Let me tell you guys something. Like, I like designer things, true enough. But honestly, my budget cannot always accommodate that request. So Asos is the perfect way for me to be fashionable and still have nice things, okay? Don't ever feel like you need to go out and spend thousands and thousands of dollars because a lot of this stuff I got was just on sale. So if you're looking for a place to shop, go on Asos because let me tell you something about them. You can actually put in how much you want to pay for something. It does tell you what you can get based off the budget that you put in on the side. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I actually have one more package, but I'm not really worried about opening it. But I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Please give me a thumbs up if you want to see more Asos hauls or just more fashion hauls. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.